For centuries, lichens have been used to dye wool. Crottles, some of the foliose lichens of the genus Parmelia, produce these wonderful oranges and pale browns. The wool's just boiled up with the lichen. It doesn't need any chemical mordant, so the wool ends up soft and smelling rather pleasantly. It also gives it some moth-proofing. The purples, on the other hand, come from another group of lichens. To get that, it's quite an extraordinary process has to be gone through. You have to get hold of old urine, ferment it for a month with the lichen, and eventually, when you stir it up, this wonderful purple dye emerges. Originally, the Roman emperors had their togas dyed purple because the purple then came from millions of little tiny mollusks. But once the lichens dyes had been discovered, then people, ordinary people, could afford purple, and purple was no longer just the province of the emperors.